Bay, musta di bay? Quick video karon kanang kanisiya. So ulanzi nga ang tawag niya ulanzi filmog ace. Filmog ace. So kani siya mura siya kanang pang kuan siya pang sa to gani pang film na fog. So gusto ka mag portable fog mo na siya. Dili siya katong fog nga dry ice, fog nga murag kanang vape pa. So remote control and everything. You can see other vlogs about it. But I'm making this video just to tell you that mag-test ko niya. So I just unbox it. It looks like this. Hindi ko ganan sa red nga part pero okay ra. Looks like this. So I'm gonna test this thing, and if you have any questions, any concerns, anything that you want to know about this product, I'll try to answer if ever maka-video ko after maka-post mo sa comments below. But if wala, we'll see how we go. But I'll try to test this and try to do photography, kanang mga portrait shots, anything. Creative mind. I'll try to use this and see how we go. Also, not sponsored or any way with this. Ako araning vlog and wala sa ko nag-prepare sa akong vlog, so wala ko script, so muna nga niya itong pagkastorya ha. So anyway, yeah, see you around, and if you have any questions, again, don't worry, don't hesitate. Mistake said. Don't hesitate to write your comments below of any questions and anything, and I'll try to answer.